So here's how to invite friends in Poppo Live app. First, you gotta download and open the app, then make sure you're logged in. Now on the bottom right, all the way to the right, we need to click on this icon to open our profile. Now in our profile, under coins and points on the right, we see invite button. You should click on it, and that should open the invite page right here. Now it tells you that if you invite someone, you can earn up to $14. You can simply go all the way down and click on invite now, and then you can select a template from those 4 different templates for invitations. So I'm gonna choose the last one, for example, click on share, and like that you can share it to Facebook, send it to your friends, or Instagram, or through Messenger, WhatsApp. You can also copy the link directly and send it to your friend via other social media or Discord or whatever. And your friend should use that link to download the app and register. And that's it. That's how you invite your friends. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.